Okay, how to remove a stud out of an engine. First, you cover up everywhere this nut might go. And this is a flange nut, so you want the flange on the top. And it's best to use a flange nut when you can. You screw that flange nut with the flange up, and you get another nut with flange down. Okay. You run them together. Now some studs have castellations on the top, like it torques to let you take them out without doing all this. A lot of Toyotas are like that, but Honda's the old-fashioned way. Sorry about this, but it takes two hands. So you tighten the top nut down against the bottom one, and you take your wrench off, and you can move this, and the stud will magically come out. And then you just break your nuts apart, and that's also how you put them in.